Welcome to P.I.T.C.O, where the deals never end. We buy those Argos pallets and we make amend. Air fryers, microwaves, kettles on the way. Electrical tools, laptops, tablets every day. We fix it with the bid at prices you'll love. With quality repairs, we soar like a dove. From parts to machines, we've got what you need. Satisfaction guaranteed.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go!
And once more, please don't attempt this unless you're experienced with electronics. Stay safe.
I listed my toaster, I listed my chair, paid half my profit in fees just to get it there. Promote your listing, they shout in my ear. If I don't pay extra, it might disappear. Oh, it's high fees, low keys hidden in the store. Returns for not working when it worked before. Funds on hold, buyer bold, feedback's a mess. eBay sellers blues, welcome to the stress. Item not received, though the tracking says delivered. Now I'm refunding someone who's clearly reconsidered. 1 star, 2 star, negative for fun. Policies change faster than I can run. Oh, it's high fees, low keys hidden in the store. Returns for not working when it worked before. Funds on hold, buyer bold, glitches every day. International shipping, oh what can I say? Global shipping program, oh what a joke. Customs fees so high, buyers start to choke. Pages freeze, tool seize, site goes down at night. But hey, I'll relist it, maybe 3rd time's right. High fees, low keys, policies that flip.